Welcome to Jira Bakery. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain one of the Atlassian products, Insight Asset Management. If you'd like to know more about Insight Asset Management or any of other Atlassian products, Jira Software, Jira Service Management, or Confluence, please subscribe to Jira Bakery. I'm creating the content by keeping the beginners in my mind. Now, let's get back to the Insight Asset Management. In simple terms, Insight is a database of anything. That means anything you capture and manage in Insight Asset Management. Especially for organizations, it's an essential tool to optimize their asset management process. This is a free plugin. It comes with only with enterprise and premium editions of Jira Service Management. And another thing that we need to pay attention is that this Insight Asset Management is compatible only with company managed projects. So these are the key features what the Insight Asset Management is offering. We can track the assets, and also we can calculate the depreciation of the asset. For example, if you need to discard any item after certain period, it gives you the notification. And also maintenance plan, not only the physical assets, we can manage our software products as well. And customizable asset fields, asset history tracking, who has what asset, which employee has what all the items that employee possess, and real time visibility. I'm going to give you all the examples what it is in my later videos. This is the high level information that I'm providing. And obviously reporting and the analytics. So this is the infrastructure, how the Insight Asset Management built. It built under Jira Service Management, and it supports hardware assets, mobile devices, software licenses, and not only the physical ones. It also manages the software products, people, facilities, etc., etc. And how the Insight Asset Management was set up is it has schemas. Schema is nothing but the collection of objects and object types and objects. I'm going to explain in my later videos how to create objects, how to create schemas and object types, etc. So this is the major pillar. The schemas are the major pillars where it contains collection of objects and object types. For example, if you would like to maintain the employee management system, and in that you have to see what employee possess what type of assets, not only the physical assets but also the applications, software applications. So we are going to create an employee asset schema. Under that, we will capture all that information. So under the schema, we are going to create object types. So in the object type, for example, laptops, asset is a laptop, and tablets and monitors. These are all the assets for the object type. Oh, these are all the object types, sorry. So now you have a schema. Under that schema, you have object types called laptops, tablets, and monitors. And now you have to create objects for the object types. Let's take laptop. Laptop is an object type. Under the laptop, you have Lenovo, you have MacBook Pro, you have Dell computer. These are all the objects of object type laptop. When it comes to tablets, you have iPad, or you have maybe some Android tablets. You will list all that in the object type tablets. So vice versa, the monitors also same thing. And when it comes to the attributes, this is the area where you will take the detailed information of the objects. For example, the object MacBook Pro, has an attributes like item name, which is MacBook Pro, item number, SKU number, price, vendor, all that information. So these are all the attributes. So now if you see, the attributes comes under objects, objects comes under object types, and object types are associated with object scheme. And I'm going to explain in detail in my later demo video. So I hope you got some level of understanding what is Insight Asset Management is. Please, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Jira Bakery.